Hold on, just let go of who I used to be. Right now, I need you to take a chance on me. You've heard it before, so this time I'll let the action speak. Right now, I need you to take a chance on me. Hello everybody, thank you so much for stopping by my YouTube channel today. My name is Alejandro Bernard and I teach the piano. Today I'm going to show you how to play Take a Chance, but not the one by ABBA, the Take a Chance by DOMi, BECK, and Anderson Paak. I've divided this video into 4 subsections, which you can navigate in the description below. And if you'd like printable sheet music, you can visit my Patreon page. Thank you so much for your time, everybody. We're going to get into the lesson right now. So the first thing that we're going to talk about is the verse, and you'll notice that it's in 7/8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. And the way that they get into the pre-chorus, or the next section, is that they turn that bar of 7 into a bar of 8. They'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, and then they're into the next section. Okay, and you'll see that in the second ending. So the only other thing that I really want to talk about in this first verse part is that you'll see the chords that are notated very specifically. So D major 7 over E instead of E sus. And that's because I just wanted to capture exactly what DOMi was doing. You can take some liberties, and if you want to put some extra color tones, you can. Just be wary that you might be headed into a different style of music. So let's go over to the pre-chorus now. In the pre-chorus, the first chord is G over C. And it's not C major 9, which is this. It's the difference of just one note. It's very subtle, but it's really significant because this feels like it's missing something and it has a slightly different flavor. And that's what DOMi chose to do. And so we want to respect that artistry. So we have G over C and then A over B, right? Not B sus, because then you might get this, right? So just keep it simple. A over B. B minor 7 over E, and then E add 4 over C sharp, right? And we're going to notice this type of hand position or this hand pattern come up again within the next part of the song. So then we go back to G over C, A over B, and here, right, it's that right hand is voiced the same, but we have a different bass note, right? And so over in the second measure, I could have called this F sharp minor 11 over C sharp, right? Because that's really what it is. But I just wanted to be really specific there. So going on, here's bar 8. We do that again. And I love this transition. Check this out. Here we go. Wow. It's just such a nice color change. Again, here we have A flat major with that added 4th, right? Right, and you'll hear the bass player play that root 5th, 3rd, and it's just a nice way to get us into the chorus, which is in this key of D flat. Hold on, da da da. I could listen to this chorus all day long. It's so melodic, it's so beautiful. I love it, I really do, and it's pretty straightforward. Here we go. We do it again. D flat major with that added 4th, right? This time I'll let the action speak. Right now I need you to take a chance on me. So it's very diatonic, it's very soulful, it's very easy to listen to, and it's just a perfect chorus coming out of the verse and the pre-chorus that have all these really interesting chords behind them. So if you watch the music video, you'll see that they're handing in their immigration papers and they're gaining access to this new country. I don't know what it is, maybe Mexico or somewhere where there's a lot of desert and open land. And so they're bribing the officials, and they're very excited during this time. They're giving gold and jewels to them as bribes. And then the most valuable thing, you see the guy's face light up. He's loving just the new album. So that's worth more than gold and jewels. I thought that was a pretty cool flex. So way to go, DOMi. If you're watching this, that was badass. So here's that last part. It goes like this. Ping. Right? I'll just play it slowly. So it just has a really singable melody. Da, 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 ping, da, 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 ping, da, da, da. Just really feels good. Just feels really, really good. Well, that's a wrap for today. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. I appreciate your time. I hope you learned something. Hope you liked it. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe. I've got a lot of good content coming up, a lot of good shorts that I'm going to be releasing, some original music. And you see over here, I've got this push 2. I've been messing around with that. Lots of fun. So definitely expect some beats and some piano playing along to beats. My dream, my vision, is to be like Marc Rebillet. I mean, not to be like him. He's like way too sexy for me. But I want to be able to do what he does, minus the sexy part, right? I just want to be able to like freely DJ. So I'm trying to figure that out. I'm trying to find the intersection of that world and the piano. So I'm just very excited to mess around with that. Here's a little preview if you want to check it out. But again, thank you so much for your time. Thanks for sticking around, and I'll catch you soon.